There's a channel right here. It'll pull out. I got 4 pounds left.
There you go. Muscle him in. You can muscle him in.
I can.
Yeah, jigs.
Got another one?
Yeah.
You're hitting close, huh?
Yeah, very close. Yeah.
That's the fun part right there.
Alright guys, we're out here at Castaic. Can't fish for some stripers. I heard they stocked, so I didn't have no luck on the stripers, but I started throwing mini jigs for the trout on 2-pound izorline on an ultralight rod, and I was able to get this 4 trout right here on the mini jig. And check out the rest of the video so you can see how I caught them, and I'll show you guys the type of jigs I was using. Alright guys, this is my setup that I used. It's a Californian CTX 7.6 2-piece rod, ultralight. One is 6 pounds. That's my reel. It's a Symetre 500 with izorline, triple leg smoke, 2-pound line. And I was using different type of colors, but this type of jigs, you know. So 1/32 ounce jig. And this is more options. This is what it looks like. All the different colors that I throw out there, and use this type of jig head to rig on the whatever tube you want to use. 1/32, 1/16, whatever you want to use. Yep, that's pretty much it. Just cast out there, jig it, hook up. See you out there in the water.